Hi family, let's dive into today's flavor. So for today's recipe, we have the most simplest yet delicious chicken thigh recipe. Come along with me as I take you through the ingredients and the process I used to get this beauty on my plate. So for today's recipe, the star of the show is our chicken thighs, which is well cleaned and scored. We also have our grated fresh ginger, our minced fresh garlic, our oyster sauce, olive oil, chicken bouillon powder, our salt, and our green seasoning mix, which the recipe will come later. So to our bowl of chicken thighs, I added some salt, drizzled a little bit of olive oil. To that, I added 2 tablespoons of our green seasoning mix, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of our chicken bouillon, and a bit of, I will say, a tablespoon of oyster sauce. So the idea is with the green seasoning mix, which is spicy, the oyster sauce, the sweetness of the oyster sauce gives it a very good balance, like a sweet and spicy taste. So yes, at this point I give it a very good Thai massage, like the type of massage you get when you go to the spa. I checked for the seasoning and I realized it was perfect and really good. I then put it in my air fryer. As you can see, I have to split it into the 2 compartments because it's quite, not too many, but yes. I then baked it at 390 degrees for 25 minutes. In between, I flipped it over. And as you can see, the end result, it's looking really delicious. And the juice around it, you can use it in your stews, your soup, or even for your stir fry. I hope you try it. As you can see, I paired it with some people paired it with their jollof rice, but I opted to go for a salad or a coleslaw. You can choose to pair it with whatever you want. I hope you try this and let me know how it goes. Have a wonderful day.